Nature's Giant by Pam Schiller, photographs by Rochelle Barkowak. Earth is filled with wonders large and small, from tiny sea creatures to majestic mountains. But for me, it's Earth's giants that most enthrall. Giant animals roaming the land, flying in the air, swimming in the ocean, magnificent. The fact is, polar bears are some of the largest predators on land and the largest of all bears. This male can grow to a height of 10 feet. Now, the eagle is the second in size only to the California condor. The males have a wingspan of 6.5 to 7.5 feet. Now, the killer whale can grow to a length of 19 to 20 feet. Giant rocks rising from the sea, forming mountain peaks, standing on desert sand. Majestic. Fact is, huge rocks break away from mountains. Sometimes rocks form from heated lava rising from the sea by weather and erosion into interesting shapes and formation. Giant trees reaching for the sky, spreading mighty limbs, shading life below. Regal. The giant sequoia trees are considered the fastest growing trees on the earth. Their bark is very thick, about 4 feet. The tallest living sequoia stretches 367 feet in the air. Many of these giant trees have survived for more than 2,000 years. Giant ice formations stretched out by the sight, floating on the sea, covering mountaintops. Splendid! Icebergs are pieces of ice that are formed on land and float in the ocean or on a lake. Icebergs come in all shapes and sizes, from 16 feet chunks to ice islands in the size of a small country. Giant oceans caressing the horizons, crash into the shore, hiding life below. Powerful. Oceans cover 71% of the Earth's surface. The average depth of the ocean is 2.5 miles. Over 1 million species of plants and animals live in the ocean. Giant rivers winding through the land, carrying transport, revealing beauty with every turn. Peaceful. Fact: the Nile is considered the longest river in the world, and it is over 4,000 miles long. The Amazon is considered to be among the world's largest river because of the huge amount of water that it holds. Giant waterfalls tumbling over rocks, dancing through the air, plunging to the ground, resounding. Many people think Niagara Falls is the tallest waterfall in the world, but it is not even in the top 10. However, it is the most famous and the most visited waterfall. Salto Angel in Venezuela is the largest waterfall. It is 3,212 feet tall. Giant sun lighting the day, shining through the trees, warming the earth. Royal. The sun is much larger than the earth. Its diameter is 100 times larger than the earth's diameter. The sun gives us heat and light and energy. Without the sun, earth would not exist. It would be a cold, dark place without any life. Giant moon gliding across the sky, playing hide and seek, chasing the sun away. Mysterious. The moon has no light on its own. It reflects the sunlight. The moon controls our ocean tides and is full of and is full every 27 days. The moon cycle Earth. Its diameter is 2,000 miles wide. Huge, enormous, gigantic, and tall, magnificent, majestic, regal, splendid, powerful, peaceful, resounding, royal, mysterious, earth giants, one and all. The end.